Hey everybody, this is John from smarthomereviewer.com, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Flume smart home water monitor. This is a whole house water monitor and leak detector. As you can see in the image back there, what this does is wrap around your water main at the water meter, and it tracks usage throughout the day and can detect leaks anywhere on your home or property, anything that flows through the water meter. So let's get in and see what comes in the box. Quick set of instructions. There's iPhone and Android apps that you can download. There's also an Alexa app that allows you to question your water usage for the day. So here in the box, you'll see, we'll start here. This is a hub. Not excited that it doesn't work with other hubs, that you have to install yet another hub in your house to connect to just the Flume. I wish this worked with some of the current standards so that you could use other hubs and not have yet another device plugged into your router or switch, but here we are. So this actually has a pretty small footprint and this little wire coming out the top. The power supply that you see here is for the hub, not for the actual Flume device. So this standard power supply, micro USB, which is great. I love to see things use that instead of some proprietary connection in case you lose or break your power supply. This is the strap that you'll use to connect the device to your water main. Very high tech, flimsy rubber, beautiful. Pair of gloves, always nice to have a pair of rubber gloves. This here is a tool to open the meter. And then finally, the big show is the Flume itself. This is all there is to it. It's a self-contained device. It's battery powered. They say the batteries can last for years, so you don't have to really pay attention to them. I'm sure through the app you'll get notifications. You'll see this also has another strap around it. This wraps around your water meter, as shown in the picture here, and then connects to the hub. Once this is all connected, it will start tracking data about your home water usage and hopefully keep you informed of any leaks or any wasted water. So check out smarthomereviewer.com for some more articles and information about these Flume whole house smart water systems. And thanks for watching.